Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML form elements. And right now we'll be discussing about the HTML form invisible data list element with options element along with some values. So the data list element specifies a list of predefined invisible options for an input element. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. Don't let me copy anything. Let's get back to our code. Can you see what we have in our previous tutorial? You can check our HTML form tutorial playlist so you can be able to follow along with all these things. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. This is the code for the form you are seeing out there. You can copy it if you need it. So right here, let's copy this. No, let me write this from scratch. Let's give a form. We need a form, right? After the form, we need data list element. Data list. As you can notice right here now, our VS Code not able to do what? Not able to suggest this data list element. Maybe because it's highly advanced a bit. So as you can see inside this data list now, firstly let's save the data list and see, maybe we'll see something in our. Can you see we are not seeing anything again inside our document? Now let's write some options inside our data list. Option, let's just give this one option 1. Let me give it capital letter so because this one is for data listing. So and this the funny part of these options is that they are not going to have closing tag, so we can have multiple options without closing tag. I don't think you are getting the point. You can have what? Multiple options without closing tags. So that's how the scope works with this one there. So I don't want this to stress us, so that's why I'm quickly copying and paste. So I'm writing one, right? Two. After the two we need three. Let's put four. Let's save our document and see what we have. Can you see everything is nothing is displaying right here? Can you see nothing displays? So one thing I want you to note, just do like this and let us see something. Maybe this will display. Let's write 1, and can you see the one itself is not showing? So definitely anything, that's why we don't need this our closing tag, because everything you write, either you write it inside this one right here, or you write it inside our file, inside the one file here, it will never display anything. So you should be careful whenever you are writing. Maybe it's this one you want to use, these options, the value you are having inside this place, you want to use, the value right here is the one you want to use. It depends on you. So that's what I want to show you. So you know that this closing tag is not, it's not useful right here, and the one that you have here is not also useful. So as you can see, all this data now, they are now invisible. They are now what? Invisible. So this data list is meant to do that for us. So in our future tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can bring out all the data that is inside all these things. As you can see, our data is now invisible. So anwar akorede is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next. Bye bye.